Welcome back to the Bike a Boot channel. Today we are not working on a Harley. We're working on my brand new old 1974 CB360. This is a project I'm doing with my son. He's actually out getting his license today. The only problem is the headlight burnt out. I'm going to show you how I am fixing it for now until a new setup gets in. So there's two screws to take it out, one on each side, and then it lifts up from the bottom and pulls out. This little nubby thing goes in here, and then it unplugs. And I'll show you what I did already. So this setup here is just soldered in. You could take a little torch, a little propane torch, melt it, and it'll fall right in. I just took a cut-off wheel because you gotta cut it off anyway. So you take the cut-off wheel, cut it off, clean this up. There's going to be a round glass bulb inside. Just shake it up, it'll break into pieces, and just dump it out. Okay, so from here, I went out and brought a 9003. I already tested this in the bike to make sure it works. And it's simply gonna go right into the hole here. Well, let me see what the top is. So this is the top. And you gotta make enough room there so this will fit in, so the little lip will fit in there. So that just slides right in and get it centered. Okay, then I just made a little spring out of a coat hanger just to hold it in, nothing crazy. All right. And then I'll bend it up, but that's it. New bulb. All right, plug it in. Make sure the top's to the top. The little lip goes in. I'm doing this one-handed, I'm sorry. Pops back in. I got two screws, one on each side. Now for the grand test. Now we gotta turn. Oh, there we go. And it's an upgrade. Let's see if the brights work. Yeah. Nice. Okay, if you like this video and others like it, I'll be doing more work on the Honda CB750 1974. And I got the Softail 1989 and the 2004 Me Too bike, the Road Glide. All right, like and subscribe and take it easy.